ClickOnCare.com.
Everyone, today I'm going to present La Shield Sunscreen Gel. This is a broad spectrum that protects the skin against the UV rays by providing physical and chemical barrier to the sunlight. It also helps to improve skin hydration. It is non-irritant, water resistant, preservative free and also alcohol free. It is oil free and dermatologically tested. It has a SPF value of 40. Now I'll tell you how you will use the cream. Apply liberally on the face and neck and also on the exposed area of the skin 20 or 30 minutes before the sun exposure. Reapply the cream after 2 hours or after swimming or sweating. This pack contains 60 grams and this is marketed by Glenmark Pharmaceuticals.
ClickOnCare.com, the largest online cosmeceutical, dermacare and nutrition store. Now on Android and